Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to lock any apps on Infinix Note 30. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notifications for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on my settings right here. Then take you to this particular page. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down all the way down. Then you have to navigate to app management, just like so. Then the next thing you want to do here is to simply scroll down and click on app lock. Then apply your pattern or whatever security you put on your Infinix Note 30, just like so, and it will take you to all apps that you have in your Infinix Note 30. So what I'm going to do here is to simply lock one app right here. So let's, for instance, I want to lock this particular app. So this More. What I need to do is to simply click on this padlock right here. Boom. I have successfully locked the app. So let's test the app right now. So I'm going to exit from here. Then I will go to my phone screen right here. Then I have the app right here. This is the app. So what I need to do now is to simply click on the app. Then you see the app is locked. Now for me to unlock it, I have to apply my pattern lock before I can have access to the app successfully. So basically, this is how to lock any apps on Infinix Note 30 without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.